knows what I'm gonna do today. I'm in quarantine, so who knows? If I decide to go out the house, I will go out the house because my mom is cooking me a birthday dinner today. So I might do a mukbang. So anyway, so today I want to do a quick and easy meal for y'all. Quick and easy breakfast. So we're gonna do some corned beef hash. We're gonna make some corned beef hash right here, and then we're also gonna make it with some instant grits. I might cook some eggs, but I'm not sure if I even want any eggs right now. So this is what we're doing. So happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, we got to pop the champagne bottle. I just forgot about that. We got the, when this breakfast is over, we about to pop the champagne bottle. We almost at 900 subscribers. Hey! All right, so let's get into this quick and easy breakfast. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. So I had to pull that top open, putting the corned beef hash in. This is one of my favorite breakfasts from when I was younger, and my parents used to cook it. Be careful. I put a little olive oil in it. Hot a little bit. No top on good. Put that right in there. Shout out to Tasty Food. She been her videos is lit. I love her mukbangs. Of course, she's homeschooling, so she's only posting every Monday and Friday throughout the week. So, you know, kudos to her during this quarantine. I'm gonna put that over here to the side. Y'all know I can get a wooden spoon. We're gonna let this sit a little bit. Somebody told me, they said, you should be more in the camera. We need to see your face a little bit more, okay? You want to see my face a little bit more, but I like showing the food, you know? I like showing y'all the dishes more, you know? But when I do vlogs and stuff, then I'll show y'all my face. Alright, let's get that champagne bottle. Let's pop this champagne. I'll be back. Alright, you guys. Okay, so while the corned beef hash is cooking, we're gonna open this bubbly. This is some pink Moscato. Pink Moscato. I love pink Moscato. Me and my friend just we just killed that bottle from yesterday. Shout out to God. With our masks, with our face masks and our gloves. When 2 or 3 gathered together in the name. In the name with a bottle. It's all good. 2 or 3. Alright, let's get this started. I really wanted it to sizzle out, you know. I really wanted to sizzle out. All right, let's get us like 8 things. I just finished the dishes. Because I do not like washing dishes. I like putting them in the dishwasher. You feel me? So, we're going to get this. This hasn't been sitting in the drawer, so we're going to get some iron. We're gonna make some mimosas. So this is what we want. I have some orange juice. I have my big thing of orange juice, but I'm like, I drank that last night already. That's gone. So I don't know how y'all make y'all mimosas, but this is how I make mine. Pour orange juice in there, half orange juice. A little bit of liquor if you want to. Ooh, a little bit of champagne. Y'all see that? Get y'all glasses ready. This is a breakfast. This is a birthday breakfast right here, honey. In the house, quarantine. Quarantine taste. Yes, let's cheers to almost 900 subscribers and my birthday. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. My favorite bar is closed. I like to go to the Scotch House. It's closed. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook some instant grits on the stove. On the stove, honey. On the stove. This is what we're gonna do. All right. So we're gonna cheers to almost 900 subscribers. I bet y'all this month we make it to 1K. Cheers. There we go. That tastes so good. I wish y'all could just. Pour you a glass. Pour you a glass. Ooh, all right, let's get back to cooking. It's Saturday. We ready to turn up. Let's get back to cooking. Okay, y'all. So let me switch this over a little bit. I had to post 3 vlogs today, to be honest. It's gonna be, might be out here, I usually let one side get brown, and then I, flip it over, let the other side get brown, like that. Yes. We're gonna let this cook right here, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all how to do the grill. All right, I'm back. I got the pot. Normally instant grits take like 3 minutes to cook. Yes. So, but I'm gonna let mine sit in the pot. We're not gonna be putting nothing in the microwave today. Me and my friend had a little discussion about instant grits and whether it's like he's saying instant grits is not real grits. So I'm like, child, please, grits is grits. Grits is grits, period. We're gonna let this come to a boil. Checking on my corned beef over here. We're gonna let that come to a boil. That's it. And I'll be back. All right, you guys, I'm back. And the water's what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our packet of instant grits. Add that right in there. See? So I just stir it up. See? That's exactly why I use a small pot. And my corned beef hash is looking good over there. Looking real good. Ooh. That's what you don't want to happen. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some butter to our instant grits. We're gonna go back to the store and get some butter, hey? Alright, so we added some butter. We're gonna add some garlic powder. I love me some garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic powder, actually. And then we're gonna add some salt. That's about it. And we're just gonna stir. Don't put too much water in. I don't advise that you put a lot of water in here because it doesn't need a lot of water. It just needs a little bit. That's it. That's all it needs. Just a little bit. Y'all see it? Yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all see the magic. Y'all see the flow piece. Alright, so we're gonna let that sit. Keep stirring it a little bit. Don't let it sit too long. If it's your birthday today, let me know. Comment below if it's your birthday. Comment below if it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. it. Corned beef hash is done. Period. Y'all see that? Brown. It's done. It's done. I like mine a little brown. I'm gonna stir these up right here. Yes. Let me know how y'all like y'all grits. Let me know. Comment below. You like them with eggs? You like them with corned beef hash? I like my grits with anything. Really, to be honest. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna come back when it's done. Alright, you guys. This is how it's looking. This is instant grits with homemade corned beef hash. So, instant. Everything is instant. And next time, I'm gonna actually cut up the potatoes and get real corned beef with mimosa. Yes. This is the breakfast. Birthday breakfast. Yes, I'ma enjoy. Y'all have fun today. Enjoy your Saturday. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment below, hit the notification button for future videos. Holla at your girl on Instagram, Steffi Angela. Holla at me. I'm about to get off of here.